Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's your boy Eldorado, and in this video we're gonna go through signing this tax form where BMI might ask you to sign in order to collect your royalties. But if you collect your royalties and do not sign this form, them could tax you up to 25 or 30% in royalties. So in order to get it down, you have to sign this tax form showing that you pay your tax via some treaty tax form business that has been going on are in agreement between the Jamaican and US government. So why you have to really do this is, for one, you earn money in US dollars, and producing music, or as an artist also, you still use it as a source of income to collect your revenues, collect monies from the country. So make no sense. You earn money from in a them country, you not pay no tax. So I'll go over some intricate details how to get this tax form signed, and this is the W8-BEN tax form that BMI will send you. However, this tax form really applies to if you're collecting money via PayPal as a business, publishing also, what is it's good for? Google AdSense. If you're a vlogger and collecting royalties, Google will prompt you to sign some form of form. It doesn't have to be this individual one, but it all work out the same way. As you can see, please do read whatever that is on the top of it, so you really understand the type of form that you're dealing with, because you have more than one of these tax form that you will be prompt to sign. But for this one, in case of royalties for artists, beat makers, or producers, you really have to pay your tax. Anyways, first and foremost, we could go here. It is best if you have the Adobe Acrobat Reader software, because the signing of the tax form, signature, and so forth like that, it is really good to have an account where you can save your signature and so forth like that. But when you reach that, me tell you how you can get the signature done. Anyways, here in the first part here, you're going to put your name. So for argument's sake, we put JOHN Don John Doe is my name. Country of citizenship, I'll put JAMAICA, or you can put Trinidad there, or you can put any other country there. The residence of where you live, this do not include the PO box. So say for instance, I live in, so for argument's sake, I live in Montego, HIGHTS. Yeah. So for instance, may I have an address of Montego Height, HIHE. Why may I spell the word them wrong? Yeah, Montego Heights, and my address here is Montego P.O. St. James. And what you're going to do when you reach at this part, also you have to include your postal code so them can send it to the correct post office. Now, postal codes are assigned to each post office in Jamaica, probably any Caribbean countries, but the purpose of it is we have places in Jamaica that in other countries have the same name. So letters back in the day used to get mixed up and go in a different country, or probably never leave the country and so forth like that. So what the postal code serve is, when them see that, them know say it is destined for Jamaica, it is destined for Antigua, Cayman Island, Trinidad, so on and so forth. Yeah, so the postal code has to be there. So how you find the postal code is by going to worldpostalcode.com/Jamaica, and you will see a list of the postal codes here. So when you're at the Jamaica section here, you will see the parishes. As you can see, it is by parish. And for argument's sake, same way, we click St. James and we go say, all right, Montego Bay 1, blah, 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 there. We're going to copy here and we're going to go back to our form here and put it, paste it there, but just copy the correct address, copy, and we're going to go back here and paste it. I'm going to put Jamaica over here. Okay, this here, it doesn't have to be, because if the address is same, if the address you collect, the letter is same as this, it doesn't, you don't have to change it. Now for the next section here, here you're going to put your country also. And for this section here, you don't have a, if you have a SSN or ITIN, you can put that there, but I highly doubt that you have any. But for Jamaica, you have a TRN, so you're gonna put here, you're gonna put your TRN number. So 123 456 789. So you're gonna put your TRN number here, and you put your date of birth here. So John Doe, date of birth is 08 of 04, that are the day, 1962. Yeah, so that's Jamaica Independence Day. Now moving on to the next section now, it is where it gets really, really complicated, and you have to really understand this section here. Now this section here, I clarify that the beneficial owner is a resident of the country that you're living in. So for John Doe, it is JAMAICA with the income tax of between the United States and of that country. Now, a section here where you really have to understand, there are three things here, and we go over the IRS website. So we're going to go, you're going to type in Article 12, Treaty Tax, and you're going to scroll down to the IRS website here, and you're going to click it. You're going to scroll down to Article 12, Royalties, and this is the section here, 10% shall not exceed 10%. So it is best if you read Article 12, so you can really understand how this treaty tax really works in regards to the tax form that you're signing, in which I'm not a lawyer, so I can give you advice based upon this, but this is the way how I sign it and submit it, and I have received a letter stating what I signed on that particular form and being sent to the post office. So up on the screen here, I'll be showing just a photo of the letter that I have received from BMI pertaining to this that I am showing here how to sign. I'm going to go back to the reader. So if you already read it, you can put Article 12 here. Article 12. Here you can put 10%, and here you can put royalties. That should cover for that particular section. Now for this section here, you can write I am a resident of JAMAICA that is to collect royalties in the COUNTR of United States of of America. Yeah, and you can leave it as is. You can write anything you want. If you understand this section here, you can basically write anything you want, but you know, I just write that and put it there. Now for this section down here, if you're a signed artist, the management team can sign this for you, or if you want to sign it yourself. So here you're going to put the date of the day you actually signed here. And for this section, I'm going to show you the for this section, I have my signature, as you can see it here, and this is the day I submit this particular tax form. And how you can really get your signature there, you can get a white sheet of paper with no lines in it, get a thick point marker, put your signature on it, take a picture of it, very clean picture of it, and import that image into Photoshop, remove the white background and save it as a PNG image. Here you can have an account in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can upload your signature. So for argument's sake, I have a signature somewhere here. Now, after you get all of that done in Photoshop, I have mine already done already. Yes, I remove the background, export it to PNG and so forth like that. To get it signed, you're gonna put the date of when you're signing it, and here in the signature section, what you can do is move on to the sign document tool, and here you will see sign. What you can do is add initial. One is already there for me, so what you can do, add initial. You will see that come up just by the typing of the name in this document. You can draw it in if you want. There's another section where you can really use, if you have a signature tool, you can attach it to your system and do it that way. But for this one, you select image, go to the signature, click open, click apply, and it will prompt you to drag it. So I'll put it here and leave it as is. Make sure the date is there, double check, and you go to file and save as, save a copy, and you can say example 4 here, but sign it with your save it with your name. So John DOE, click save, and if I were to go to my download folder and click John Doe, it would come up with the signature on it. However, I ran into some problem previously getting this farm tutorial ready, so what I had to do is do that, but the initial information is here in this John Doe stuff. So it's just trial and error because this software is updated dramatically. So as you can see, your signature is here on it. The date's supposed to be here, in which I never put it there. So if I were to come here and say at the time of this video, it was 9/27/2021. So 09/27/2021. What I could do is just put some dash between it. Why the date is 2021? Here I just put another dash. So day, month, day, year. And if I close this one, so if I was to save a copy and name it over, and I go back in the downloads folder and open up this, you would see the date here. So that's how you get this tax form signed. So please do double check your form before you submit it to the relevant parties that really need this tax form. And if I left out anything, or anything could have been changed or done better, please do leave it in the comment below, and I'll be sure to pin that comment if I ever left out anything for who is watching this video in the future. So thank you again for tuning in. It's a boy Eldorado. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, select all notification, join the notification squad, smash that like button so it works for the YouTube algorithm so you can get it to more people. So without further ado, peace out.